The government of St. Lucia has filed an appeal in the Tuxedo Villas matter. Justice Brian Cottle on August 3rd ruled that a cabinet conclusion in reference to the Bontier property of the health minister was unreasonable and had to be quashed. The case had been brought against the Justice Minister by the leader of the opposition. Press consultant in the Prime Minister's office, Winston Springer, says the government has appealed the decision to the Court of Appeal.
On September 11, 2009, the Attorney General appealed to the Court of Appeal against the judgment of Mr. Justice Cottle. The notice of appeal challenges findings of fact and law, which formed the basis of the judgment of the High Court judge. The appeal seeks, among other things, an order that in all the circumstances, the decision of the Cabinet of Ministers of June 26, 2008, based on the material before Cabinet, was unreasonable.
The Prime Minister says the decision to appeal is the right one. Soon after the ruling in the matter, 69% of respondents to an HTSE poll thought differently, saying the government should not appeal. Stephenson King says the government needs to stay in court to defend the actions of Cabinet.
We believe, having made the necessary consultation with our legal advisors, that there is certainly reasonable ground and a very strong case to that matter for the government to take to the Court of Appeal to certainly vindicate the government. And I think the fact that we've decided to proceed with it is a matter that demonstrates that we believe in government, that the Cabinet definitely did not do anything wrong.
At least one person expected and is delighted the government decided to appeal the Cottle decision. The leader of the opposition says an appeal would allow for his cross-appeal. He says it would allow for a broader scope than what was ruled upon in the earlier judgment.
The judge made no finding in respect of misfeasance in office, and we intend to press our claims for unlawful behavior and misfeasance in public office by all the ministers of the Cabinet, particularly those who participated in the decision on this matter. Secondly, we are concerned about the finding of the judge in respect of Minister Alan Chasney. We believe that the judge was far too kind to Mr. Chasney in this matter.
And to the ordinary man on the streets who might be wondering why an appeal or even cross-appeal is necessary after the health minister has paid $38,500 to the Customs Department in the case, the leader of the opposition gives this as explanation.
Clearly it was a political ploy by Mondesi to pay the amount and to suggest that, look, I don't have anything to hide. The court has come to a conclusion. Let me ease the pressure on Cabinet. Let me ease the pressure on my colleagues. Let me ease the pressure on myself. So it's a political ploy. It's a political game. It's a political tactic. And we know full well how capable this government is of that kind of maneuvering. So for us, really, that is not an issue.
No date has been set for the government's appeal. Carmi Joseph, HTS News, Channel 4.